Welcome back to Beauty Foods 101. Today we're taking pineapple, ginger, and cayenne, and we're going to make the Easy Breather blender. Here's what you'll need. A 1-inch knob of ginger, peeled and chopped, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, cayenne pepper to taste, about a 1/4 teaspoon is good usually, a 1/2 cup of water, a cup of ice, and you can sweeten it if you like. And while I make this, enjoy 7 beauty benefits of the Easy Breather blender. This has been Beauty Foods 101. Like and subscribe to see more episodes like this.